buhok.
Uy, okay na to, uy.
Okay na to? Yan ako, Andre, oh. Ano, uluha ba? Luka ni uluha, guys.
How old are you again, Isla? 3?
Great.
When's your birthday?
October.
October.
Give it, guys.
How many times have you watched that show now?
A million times.
Again
A
time.
million times.
Oh no.
Luka ni nga ulo. Luka, feeling ka nga ulo. The ulo is very little.
I may brush you up, para.
Isa man.
I know mommy it fell down.
Guys, good morning! So, si ate nagpa-blood test muna. Tapos ako ngayon nag-prepare kay Ella para itay yung hair niya. We are gonna go sa beach para mag-breakfast pagdating ni ate. So, mag-prepare na ako. Malapit na kasi yung turn niya. Si Michelle nagpe-prepare na sa taas, ako din. Doon tayo mag-breakfast. I'm so excited kasi ang ganda doon sa picture. May 2 options na binigay si Dan sa amin. So, tingnan namin kung ano yung lugar na hindi masyado maraming tao. Andito na si ate! Ay. Sabi ko pa naman na magmi-makeup ako sa car. Ako pala magdadrive papuntang ano. Isasauli namin yung car. Saba, ayan, pinasakay ko na si ate kay Michelle kasi medyo ano to. Hindi naman to masyadong medyo, ano ba yung uyog? Uy! Hindi to masyadong maganda. Oh, yun na lang. I-ask ko sila kung ano yung address. Hindi ko ganahan magsunod-sunod. Ha? Sa address? Bargain Car Rental. Bargain Car Rental. Wa man din ni connector. How about sa back? We're here sa bargain. Vehicle return. Nasa Henley Beach na tayo. We're on the move. Itugnaw na. Nilalamig na si Razzle. Punta tayo sa Sunnyside. Oni? Ayo. Sunnyside. Sunnyside. Dito na kami sa loob. Ang gusto namin sana na ano ba beach vibe. Andito kami sa loob. Asa ng beach dito naman?
Asa ng palm trees?
Wala ding palm trees. Parang kami nasa loob ng pub. Ay, pero maganda yung vibe mo dyan, de. And then, ikaw din, Michelle. Diba? Coffee! Kanina pa si ate gusto talaga yung mag-coffee. Sabi mo regular, ang option small and large lang. So, siya na lang nagpumili. Sabi ni Michelle, hindi daw niya pinili yung large. Oh, ex Benedict sa akin. Pork bauban kay ate ko. And then burger kay Michelle. Ang ano, parang ang sarap ng fries na.
Naubos yung price din. Security kayo. Special. Ano bitang daily burger yung i-order?
Kain na tayo eh. Burger na. Ang dami tayo.
Ala, parang ang laki ng ano. Pork. Uy! Burger at siya mayo. Ang lambot ng pork na.
Daming tao ngayon kasi weekend ba? Hala. Lakad-lakad kami. Hala, ka-cute dito. Imagine ka naging namin si Inday.
Ilang colors ka rin, no?
Yeah, pink and...
Pag summer na, gawas ng mga summer collection.
Problema lang.
Hala, summer collection na dayon?
Spring and spring.
Grabe.
Diba, kung meeting na po.
Ari, ito seed, te. Lakad-lakad lang kami dito. Ano ba yung buhok ko? Wala tayong hair tie, ah.
Pindot kita mo ng palit sa kiyo.
Dito kami sa Foodland. Namimili kami ng pangmunggos. Ah, munggos. Pangmunggo. Ayan na, oh. Hala, I need compression socks.
Ha? Saan biting mo si Inday, ah?
Mainit.
Nando na kabagay mong straw.
Extra, just in case. Maihi pa si Razzle. Alam niyo naman, June 5th.
Sam sa nibos awon, sa natang kuya ko, eh. Yeah, so. I guess we want to do a bunch of entertainment.
Dito kami sa Hyundai. Mag-ano kami dito? Mag-test drive daw si ate. Asa man yung car mo, te? Test drive siya kasi hindi pa siya naka-test drive. Ha?
Ako, palis na.
Yeah, malaki.
Sa abroad.
Ang ganda ng mga sasakyan. Tara.
Leather yun ito, ha?
Wow!
Interior ko.
Pang sure ka niyo.
Nag-white interior ka? Test drive na kami.
Ako, test.
Si Michelle naman
Yeah,
doon.
Charging. Sa captain seat, dyan, eh.
Can see. Yeah. So this is like identical sa imong karte?
Yeah, just different color. This is this is my car.
So wala na siya nung stick, yung manibela.
Yeah.
Doon na lang siya sa side ng ano, tawag dito, ng wheel,
Steering wheel.
ng steering wheel. We're ready.
Ilom kay hybrid man.
Yeah.
In 500 meters,
Hala, kalalom.
turn right onto
Kalalom
Delaware
ka, ay.
Avenue.
Kalawang good ani.
Uwi kami, papakita namin kay Dan. Ang laki ng car na to, uy.
Ako, okay. Nakitid rin.
Napaka-relax na ni Michelle.
And then it has the screen as well, miss. It shows the I don't know if you can see.
Dili ko kita. Ikaw ra
I
siguro.
can see my speed here sa
Like karon,
Yeah.
karon?
Yeah.
Kanang gamay nga ko an, kanang
Yeah.
projector.
Ah, di ko
It
kita.
shows the
Ikaw ra
speed
lagi.
limit and
Very nice car.
Sa manang tingog di
lapas ko speed limit.
Ano wala ka seatbelt?
Turn right onto Dearlanger
Hindi,
Avenue,
taga-Pindi
then
pa
turn
yun.
left onto
Biro na
Rosetta
ba?
Street.
Yeah,
Ano
nice
yan,
kay Day.
artista?
Awa, so haliko ka mismo. Unang kamera dere.
Ah.
Blind spot. So safe jud kay siya. Help!
Mas bubuhay, sues.
Explore natin tong mga ano dito.
Ang usa.
Ah, maora to. Ang rare.
Open
Nice siya,
close
very
ra.
smooth.
Very smooth daw.
Continue on National Highway
Pwede mo rin
A17 for 2 kilometers.
That's really nice.
Very nice. Bye-bye!
We'll be back.
See your face.
I can't see your face.
My head is out!
Look, outside.
We'll be right back.
See ya!
We'll be back right away.
Ayla! Can you see my head?
Uy, kada kong tingog.
Look.
Ka-cute ni Ayla.
Bye, Isla!
Drive.
Go to daddy!
Watch out.
Ito ito yung tinest drive namin. Tapos yung color kay ate kay bronze na matte. Ito siya, maganda siya.
Pero nice kid. Money eh.
Kay Michelle Bayas man to, blue man ang favorite ani. Yeah.
Nice kid na?
Tapos na kaming mag test drive, guys. Yung pork na binili natin dun sa ano, uy, Foodland. Ano na. Yes, Michelle. Yan na si Ziz. Ziz! Alo, come on, eat orange, buboy. Very yummy. Ayla, I got some oranges. You were looking for me? Just here.
Hey, you know what? I'm gonna put you to sleep now. Yeah. Kay matulog day. Matulog mga alas 6, matanig lang alas 8. Tulog alas 3. It's a yo-yo. It's a yo-yo.
Ang lamig.
I want it.
There's more oranges, my love.
Hello.
Yeah, it's nice, right? Hello. Say bye to Daddy. It's a hat. Oh,
I'm a small one.
that's yours.
Where's my glasses? What I have is small one. It's not fitting. This you.
Sarap ng oranges na to.
I want the
What color do you want, madam? This one? Oh, you want the glittery one?
Yeah.
I think you can just choose one color though. Which color do you want most?
Mine.
Because this is silver and this is gold. What do you want? Which one? You can only choose one glitter, but you can choose something else, like other colors.
I want
This one? And what else? Just this one, or do you want to choose that one, that one?
anyone.
Any other color that's not glitter. You want black? Or maybe that one? The green one? Ooh. Oh, it's a match. Okay, let's start. Very nice. How about the other one? Very nice, very clean. There's no soil, nothing like that.
I wash my nose.
You wash your nails. Okay, let me see. Ay, wala kang kayuhaan. Why is it so short? Look at my nails. Look at mommy's nails. Each. Very nice.
See, Rick?
Uy, don't scratch it too much.
I'm not biting my nails anymore.
Good, because it's not good. See? It's not good for you to bite your nails. It's gonna ruin your nails.
I'm a big girl.
You are a big girl, and big girls don't bite nails.
Boy.
We cut nails, but we don't bite the nails. It's dirty.
Cut nails.
Yeah.
Scratch stuff. Now I have a boo-boo here.
You have a boo-boo. Why?
All of this.
Silly. All of this one there. Silly boy. Naughty boy.
Baby, don't bite her now.
Okay, color
But
time.
they can't bite their nails because they have no teeth.
They don't have. Yes, that's correct. They can't really bite their nails yet because they don't have teeth. Yeah. Very good. Yeah, I'm my madam today. Ooh, very nice choice. Okay, let's go back. Very cute nails. Very cute. You want me to color Tita Michelle's nails too?
Yeah.
You want to ask her at Tita Michelle?
You want to color your nails?
But I want to color it nails. Tita Rich wants to color it black.
Teacher is going to color this color and this.
Look! Show the guys. Look at my nails.
Get out of the other one.
Guys, it's eating time. Luto ni Michelle. Munggo. Kain tayo. Munggo. Especial munggo. Pitataga.
아침에 눈을 뜨자마자 느낀 설레임 Blossoming 향기로운 달콤한 햇볕에 노인거리는 꽃 같아 다 보고 싶지 않기는데 말하고 싶지 행복한데 사그러들까봐 어떡해
Klaro kayo pag-abot ng to. Nakimang gusto mo. Ulan! Sobrang lambot. Yeah, you're playing the Dodi.
Ayla, Arlo's awake.
Kasi na si Arlo ba? Murido. Yung mahaba yung tulog at masarap yung tulog. Bababain mo. Siguro pagbalik mo. Ang sarap doon. Hindi na sarap.
This morning.
Yung Snoopy ah. I'll eat first, okay? Yeah, can we eat first?
Let Ate Michelle eat first. Ate Michelle, Ate Ayla, eat your pasta first.
October? Kasi iwan ko lang talaga na hindi siya nag-open dun sa Opal. What national flight? 3 hours.
Oh, good job. The chef. Chef Michelle. Ha? Guys, beer tayo. Kuha kami ng beer dito. Mayroong Stella Artois. Tapos wala kaming lemon. So, ito. Orange. Tapos chicharon from Cebu. Wes!
It's going to start!
Oh my God, we should be quick! Oh my!
Tell them to wait! Tell them to wait for us, Ayla!
Dugay ko nakita. Uy, ang tagal daw namin. Kanina pa kami dito. Magsa-start na. Mag-watch kami ng footy.
Hindi ka sabot ang mga buwa. Hindi ka sabot ang mga buwa.
Eh, basta kabaw naman na sila. Wato pa na sila sa stadium yun. Kita, dito sabot. Pero basta,
Cebu Safari!
basta Port Adelaide na lang punta. I'll bring this, Day.
Masih maharap na sa kabutilyo.
Wala.
It's going to start! Oh no! Wait! Tell them to wait for us!
Can we tell them to wait?
It's okay.
Kabagan ba?
Bye.
Na hands?
what?
Wait, we have to carry everything here.
Quick, out.
Cheers!
Anna. Cheers. Cheers. Smile. Hello, look. Smile for daddy. Malak. Again.
Just spinning.
Sus, kablis-lis kay na.
Mulis kay ganina, saba kayo. Murag wag hilak. Murag wag nalanog ang tibok balay niya.
Look at all the yummy food. I see fire.
You give mommy some of the yummy food.
Oh my
Dragon! Dragon! Jump on Tita Rich! Jump! Jump!
May mga asungot na naman sa aming kwarto. Look at the asungot over here.
Higher!
Oh, oh. Are you okay?
I didn't cry.
You didn't cry, yeah? You're very strong. Good job.
I have a bruise in my shoulder.
You have a boo-boo?
Where?
Oh no, kiss better.
It's a green one.
It's a big one.
Yeah.
Last one standing is our Luboy. Last one standing is our Luboy. Wala na dito si Ayla.
Aha! Its long neck. That gives me an idea. The brontosaurus
Isang naumbiyang Michelle.
big tree. Yeah. A brontosaurus.
No, hindi mo dungoy na maglili. Nagbasa na ako ng ilang libro kay Ayla. 3 libro. Feeling ko sleepy na siya kasi lumayas na dito. Anyway, I'm just gonna see you tomorrow, guys. See ya!